Join me on a journey to the heart of Mangalore. Feel the rhythm of nature blending with a rich culture. Breathe in the fresh air, the scent of spices, and the vibrant life of our villages. And there's the star of our show, the country chicken or the nati koli. We are making Mangalore style country chicken curry, a dish that captures the soul of this beautiful land. Simple, flavorful, and packed with tradition. And pairing it with pundi, Mangalorean rice dumplings. Of course, you can replicate the same recipe with broiler chicken as well. Here we have one whole chicken, which is approximately 1 kg of chicken after cleaning. The chicken is slightly roasted over fire. This is a traditional practice and is done for multiple reasons. It can help reduce bacterial contamination, helps in tenderization, flavor enhancement, and also infuses a smoky aroma to the dish. Here is a fun fact. Country chickens, also known as desi or native chickens, are hardy birds with a distinct flavor profile. They are highly social creatures with complex communication skills. They use a variety of clucks and chirps and even moos to communicate everything from danger warnings to food alerts. And don't underestimate a chicken's brain power. They can recognize over 100 faces, including humans, and even remember places they haven't visited for months. Interesting, isn't it? Now that the chicken is all cut and cleaned, let's move on to making the masala for the curry. Here we have around 15 Kashmiri chilies. You can use the Baidagi chilies or the Kashmiri chilies, and around 8 Ramnad chilies or Gundu chilies. These chilies are slightly toasted in some coconut oil. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and around 3 tablespoons of roasted coriander seeds, around half a teaspoon black peppercorns, half a teaspoon fenugreek seeds or methi, a pinch of carom seeds. All the ingredients will be listed in the description section below. Around 7 cloves of garlic, 1 big sized onion, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, a small lime sized piece of tamarind. And this is one additional step. Here we are going to add 2 tablespoons of unroasted coriander seeds. Initially we had added coriander seeds that were slightly toasted in coconut oil. We need to add both roasted and unroasted coriander seeds. Next we need 1 whole coconut which is freshly grated, or around 300 to 350 grams of freshly grated coconut. Grind all these into a very smooth paste. The masala paste is ready here. This is a very simple recipe. Just fry the ingredients, grind them all together, add the chicken and cook it. It's that simple. For your convenience, I'll be adding all the ingredients in the description section below. To this, add some salt as per taste, 1 onion thinly sliced, and add the chicken pieces. Mix it all nicely. Add water as per the consistency that you desire. Mix it well and cook it on medium to high flame till the chicken is completely cooked. Since this is country chicken, it might take some time, maybe 40 to 45 minutes. Cover and cook it. Make sure that you keep checking on it and keep stirring it occasionally. This recipe is a must try for the ones who want to try out Mangalorean flavors. It's simple to make and very flavorful. You can also replicate the same recipe with broiler chicken. When the chicken is completely cooked, let's prepare for the tadka. In some coconut oil, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 onion finely chopped, few curry leaves, and let the onions brown nicely. Once the onions brown, add it to the curry. This easy to make yet deeply authentic Mangalorean chicken curry will tantalize your taste buds and transport you to the heart of coastal India. This recipe tastes absolutely delicious with Mangalorean pundi or rice dumplings. I'll link the recipe in the I button above and in the description section below. However, you can have it with neer dosas or idlis or rotis or parathas or even plain rice. It's super versatile. So let this chicken recipe fill your kitchen with warmth and your heart with happiness. Share it with your loved ones, experiment with different pairings and create memories that will linger long after the last bite. If you have any suggestions for me or any doubts, please leave them in the comment section below. Also let me know your thoughts on the recipe. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.